All right, we get the Sunkist variety pack, 30 singles to go. In this variety pack, you get orange, strawberry, peach, and grape. It says 0 sugar on here. And as far as calories go, the orange is the bad guy, 10 calories. We got 5 calories for the strawberry, 5 for the grape, and 5 for the peach. As far as carbs go, grape is your friend. 1 gram of carbs for the grape, 2 grams for the peach, 2 for the strawberry. And again, the orange is the bad guy with 3 grams of carbs. How about that? The peach, to me, is the weakest flavor. I'm always comparing one of these into a 1 liter bottle. You know, that's what I'm basing my taste off of. So I just dump one of these into here and I mix it up and I go. As far as flavor goes, the orange, strawberry, and grape are strong as far as I'm concerned, but they're not overpowering, right? I don't like anything overpowering. I want a strong flavor. I want to know that what I'm drinking, I want to taste it. These three, the orange, the strawberry, and the grape, have a very strong taste to them. Strong enough for me. And the peach is going to be the weakest one of the bunch. The stuff tastes fantastic. I do keto as much as I can, and the stuff is low carb enough for me. It gives me some flavor that I want, and also helps me get my 3 liters of water in every day. And it's pretty good. It tastes fantastic, I think. 30 singles to go.